Hi everybody, we're going to be focusing on positivity today. There's such a lot of negativity going around in the YouTube world, in our world, and let's focus on positivity. This is the Druzy Duo from Molds and Shapes. I do have some DTF stickers, all mindfulness, the lotus flower, which symbolises rebirth, the chakras. If you've ever had your chakras done, oh my god, it's wonderful. I've had reflexology and she's tried to balance my chakras. Right, just a little bit of information there. Anyway, so we're going to be using them. I'll do both in epoxy and Aquacast. I'm going to be using the alcohol inks for the epoxy and some mica powders for the Aquacast, and just hope that it picks it up. Right, I'll get some resin mixed up and we'll make a start, shall we? Alcohol inks all lined up in the colours of the rainbow. Cannot find me purple anywhere. It's everywhere, not in the box. Never mind. So I've got dark magenta for that one. And I'm just going to drop inks in there. I'm using no I'm not. Using J Diction High Gloss. We'll just make a start, shall we? So I'll start with the red, carry on through the rainbow colours. I can't imagine we'll see much of the orange and the yellow. It might all blend into one. I'm going to do one at a time. I'm doing a set. Only I would do one Aquacast and one resin, but I'm doing a set because I've got a craft fair coming up in August. I know that seems like very far away, but it really isn't. I just think it'd be easier to sell if it's a set. Right, I wonder if we'll get them all in a second time. What did I say this was about? Positivity. Of course I'm going to fit them all in. I don't want these staying in this mould, so I'm trying to work as fast as possible. And I'm just going to put clear in the rim. I'm going to put a bit over the centre because I do want it to go in ever so slightly. Not too much, but ever so slightly. Yeah, so if it runs a little bit, I really don't mind. And that's just pure alcohol ink, so we'll get that so it doesn't stain the mould. Let's see if we've got any places missing. There we go. Just going to let that cure, and then we will come back to do the centre. I'm just doing the centre in clear for now, I think, as well, although I'm very tempted to do it now. Got loads of resin left. No. Yeah, no, I'll see you back when we're demoulding. There might be a centre in it by then. As you can see, I've decided to put the clear in the centre, and it's bringing all, because it was like a push, it's bringing them all out, so I'm quite happy with that. I've left a bit of a gap for the simple reason I want to put a backing coat on, so I'm just going to leave it on for a bit. Let's see if it moves anymore, and Chris will put it on a time lapse or something. Right, these are cured now. Using the same resin, I'm going to colour it with this pigment paste in pure white. I might put a bit of sparkle in it. I could have just used lots and lots of dazzling diamonds, but I think I wanted the starkness of a pigment paste, if you know what I mean. Aren't they looking good though? I like them. I'm happy with how they've pulled in. I'm glad I decided to put the clear on. I'm just hoping that I've mixed all that pigment paste in properly. I know I harp on about this, but there's nothing worse than unmixed pigment paste, because your resin won't set where it is. It leaves like holes in your project. I speak from experience. It's happened a few times to me. There's not much to go to the top. I'm giving this project positive vibes. I know people laugh when you say think positively. It's quite hard. The human brain naturally goes to the negative. It's been proven that just naturally, it's a survival instinct. So you have to work really hard. I meditate, perhaps not as much as I used to, and perhaps not as much as I should do. Since the menopause hit, I suffer badly with anxiety, so I do try to meditate as much as possible, and I do that here on YouTube. We've got to work hard to try and think positive, and it's so worth it. Right, let's give that a spritz. I have domed it slightly, so not so much. I didn't put any dazzling diamonds in, I thought better of it. And we'll let that cure. We'll put that in the G3 in about 20 minutes, and I'll see you back when I demould. Let's get them out and take a look. We've got a few air pockets there from bubbles. They're lovely, these moulds. Still a bit bendy. Let's have a look. Oh, I like it. See, already giving me positive vibes. I really like it. I like the white behind it. Right, I've picked two. The Tree of Life meditation. Anybody that doesn't know, it is a grounding, centering meditation that aligns your energy with nature. That means it helps you to cultivate resilience, inner peace, which is something we all want, isn't it? And balance by visualising yourself as a tree. Now, I have done this one. It's very nice, this meditation. I do like it. And when you visualise yourself as a tree, you're connecting deep roots to the earth and your branches up to the sky, therefore giving you inner peace. You're at one with nature. Right, I'm trying to centralise this. Now, as we all know, once it's down that as well. I got these stickers from Temu, the UV DTFs. Oh, that one comes off nice. I was going to use the lotus flower, but I think it would get lost in the rainbow colours of that. Oh, they come off the backings really easy as well. That's nice. I like the tree on this one. It was just too beautiful not to use. Let's give it a nice rub. No air bubbles on that one either. They're definitely better than vinyl, that's for sure. So if anybody is struggling at the moment, surround yourself with positivity. Nice people. We don't need the nasty people in our life. Find a way to get rid of them. You don't need negativity. Don't know where all that's come from. I'll go and get some resin mixed up for our top coat, and I'll stop preaching. Once this top coat's done, it won't be going in the G3 for the simple reason the DTFs can melt. We don't want that, do we? So I'm just putting a bit in. They actually are coasters, these are not trays, but they do have an indent. But I would like to keep the indent as much as possible because it's all druzy, isn't it? No point having a druzy mould if you're going to cover up all the drusies. Let it flow to the edge. That's plenty. Absolutely plenty. Let's see if we can take a bit out of this. Not too much, just a little bit. I'll let that cool down. I will spritz it with 99% isopropyl alcohol and we'll just let them cure. Right, exactly the same alcohol inks for the Aquacast. I'm just going to do it the same way. So I will speed you up for this. Right, we've just got to hope and pray, because I can't put it on the vibration plate, that there's not going to be loads of holes. But we'll wait and see, shall we? They're rather warm still. Sneak peek. Oh, look at that! No! I'll have to wash them. Anyway, positivity. Oh! Right, well it hasn't travelled to the centre, but that's fine. Oh yeah, I kind of like them. Yeah, very nice. Oh, I hope me I hope my mould comes clean. I'll show you at the end if in the photos if it does. This one, I can use any of these I like. Yeah, that's quite nice. I could even use a lotus flower. I think we'll keep them the same and we'll use the ones that are left from that sheet. Now, they might possibly not stick to it because they've just come out of the mould. It's still got moisture in it, but we'll give it a try. If not, I'll leave it to dry. If I could get the end off it. There we go. I've got 2 sets of these stickers, so not really a problem. They are super sticky DTF stickers, so it might do, it might not. Yeah, look, we're struggling. Yeah, it's not going to stick. I'll stick that back on there and we'll wait for these to dry. Okay, I think they're dry now. Let's see if we can get this on. Please stick. Squeegee it for good measure. Oh no. We've lost a bit of the top. I'm just going to leave that one for a minute and hopefully it'll give it a chance to stick. Right, I struggled with that one. A few pieces missing, a few little branches, but it still looks alright. Now they're definitely going to have a top coat. Well, that one for sure, which is a shame. I didn't want to put any epoxy on it at all. That one's alright. I'll just give it about an hour for the glue to stick on it. I might even put my heat gun on it. That was my fault. That one's ace. I'll leave them about an hour. We'll come back with the epoxy. Just going to give it a thin layer just to top coat it. Perhaps a bit more than that. And move it to the edge. You can see how unlevel my desk is. Just going to leave them to cure. I'm not putting them in the G3 like I said before. Sometimes the stickers warp with all the heat, so I'm just going to leave them to cure on their own. Right, the top coat's dry. It rippled a bit. This is why I don't like top coating DTF stickers. It rippled a bit. It could do with another top coat, but first of all I'm going to be using some hydrofloor sealer to seal around the edges. Now in the druzy moulds, I do like to use a brush, so I've just got a bit in there, just a bit easier to get it in all them nooks and crannies. They've had 2 coats now. Next time I have a bit of leftover resin, because these are going to craft fair with me, I'm going to coat them again. It's had 2 coats. I've put some red on the bottom foam. I think they're very pretty. They've turned out smashing. Aren't they lovely? Stamped it as well because, like I said, they're going to the craft fair. Put some white foam on the bottom. I think they're just gorgeous. And a reminder to stay positive. When life's chucking you, excuse the French, just stay positive. Think about the things that you do have. And if you sit down and think about the things you do have, you realise you've got more than you realise. I hope you've liked this video. I hope you like the projects. And thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. Stay positive. Bye.